But what is it about Jab Harry Met Sejal which, you know, drew you instantly to the script?
Yeah, I mean, it really has to be something that you can connect with. Na? I mean, I have wanted to work with Imtiaz for the longest time. In fact, I mean, if at all I ever had the thought that maybe acting karna chahiye was in a rickety old theatre in Bikaner where I was watching Jab We Met with my parents. जहाँ पे वो जैसे बीच में आइल्स है ना, वहाँ पे वो चेयर लगा दिया करते थे प्लास्टिक की जब ज़्यादा लोग बढ़ जाते थे. And used to sit over there and watch the film. So I was watching Jab We Met there, and I saw this film, and I was like, "Wow, this is amazing! This is something that."
No, not yet.
Huh? What was that? Suddenly saw myself. This is something that I would like
Not
to.
yet.
Who's this saying not yet, not yet? Oh, that I would like to. I would like to be part of movies when I saw the character of Geet. So I think maybe it was because of the portrayal of that character and the depth that that you could see. ये कौन है इंसान बीच बीच में जो बोल रहा है? Is this my inner voice? That's like suddenly loud and coming out since my philosophical side has come out today on this.
We are doing promotions of बीच बीच में.
बीच में कोई बात कर रहा है.
बीच बीच में बात कर रहा है उसीलिए.
Yeah, so I think it is something that I've always wanted to do with Imtiaz, a film that I've always wanted to do with him. But this just seemed like the film with which I would really enjoy, have a great time collaborating with him. And so this is the one. And in any case, since I'm so philosophical, जो होना होता है सो होता है. जिसको जो पिक्चर करनी होती है वो उसकी तकदीर में होती है. और ये पिक्चर मेरी तकदीर में थी तो मैंने करी. और हमारा इस पिक्चर में साथ काम करना निश्चय था तो हुआ है. बस सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा है. वो ही है, उसके हाथों में हम सबकी डोर है. हम तो बस चल रहे हैं जहाँ वो हमको लेके जा रहा है. हम तो सब कठपुतलियाँ हैं बस उसकी लीला की.
इम्तियाज सर आपके सामने